Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Tripathi and I'm very happy and excited to interview Dr. Gaurav Sharma, who cleared the MD Psychiatry exam recently and got, I believe, rank 1 in the university.
Yes, sir. In theory, sir, yes, I scored top.
Okay, so Gaurav, first of all, many congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I'm so glad that I'm getting a chance to meet you and talk to you.
The pleasure is all mine, my dear. So, Gaurav, we want to understand a bit more about your journey. And you have been using Conceptual Psychiatry app, I believe, for more than a year now.
Yes, sir.
So, how exactly it helped you? What did you do? How did you use theory part? How did you use practical part? Everything we would like to talk in detail. So, starting with the main thing, did you use the main videos that are there in the app for your preparation? And for also?
Yes, sir. For the majority of the time, I use those videos only.
Mhm.
Because to clear the concept, as the name says, conceptual psychiatry, to clear the concept, you'll have to see those videos. You'll have to go through every single video. It's a bit time taking, but very beneficial for the main exams, because at the end of the day, you'll have to revise it rapidly. For that, you have other options. But to clear all the concepts, for example, how the receptors are working, because in the end, you don't get this much of time that you will go and go through stalls to understand the neurobiology and the basics. For that, you'll have to go through videos, and that helped me a lot, sir.
So, Gaurav, when we faculties were recording those videos, like I have taken a bit of psychopathology, I have taught schizophrenia. My main aim was that, after my video is done, that the entire thing that is given in synopsis and CTP gets covered so that student does not have to worry about it again. So, and I believe the same thing is being done by all faculties. So, are we able to, achieve what we are aiming for with these videos?
Exactly, sir. I would say more than 100%. Because what we are reading, we are getting very less time in residency, sir. Due to work, due to seminars, due to other case conferences and all the PG activities, we are getting very less time. But in this time, if I want to go through CTP and synopsis, but that is very necessary, I know. But if we go through that, it needs a lot of time to cover all the things. But in those videos, sir, it is very easy to understand. Everything at a single glance, you have everything available. And especially when I did the rapid revision part, the sir was doing that, make a one pager so that you remember everything. That I used to do earlier as well. I used to watch the lecture and make a one pager so that I can stick it on my wall and read it whenever I want. So definitely, sir, what you were aiming through and everyone is aiming through, that has been completely achieved for everyone, I think.
Right. There has been an effort from our side to balance two things. Residency is not only about passing the exam. Residency is also about gaining knowledge and developing enough skills so that tomorrow when you go into practice, you are able to do well, to do justice to the patient. So that is something that we have been consistently trying. Apart from theory part, we also give some clinical knowledge. This is how we start in practice. This is what we do. This is what theory says, but sometimes this is what we do. So what is your opinion on that aspect of the app?
So that also has been covered very clearly, and simultaneously the activities which are happening in the group, the case presentations and everything through Zoom. I think it's very manageable to attend those presentations.
Yeah.
And a team has been interviewing good personalities as well, and that's also a part of learning, sir. So it has been covered very beautifully. The practical part, definitely, sir. It has been people, other teachers are giving examples too. Suppose you're getting patients like this. Now you're supposed to do this. Don't directly jump into that. Go for the investigations first. And when you deal with the patient, you remember all those things.
Right. Gaurav, a couple of months back, we thought that exams are coming. Let us introduce the long cases and short cases in the app. So you must have seen Dr. Hirar, Dr. Milan, Dr. Arohi, Dr. Sagnik. Everybody did a lot of hard work in creating crisp videos of 40-minute presentation and then the simulation of Viva. So did you use those videos before going for your exams?
Sir, I read the notes. Basically, I did not get that time to go through videos, but I think one or two videos from the Sagnik sir I went through. It was very good and very helpful, because when you are standing in front of your examiners, you instantly click, okay, this is now you'll have to present. Now this it should be in the verbatim, and that the chronology should be followed, and that is very helpful. But before exam, I think everyone should go through all the videos.
Right. I think you used the QA bank also very extensively, and you were telling me that majority of the questions you were able to answer. So tell us something about it.
So QA bank, though, I think I have been through every single word which is given on those notes.
Okay.
I didn't leave anything from that. And I think I would say more than 90% of paper, my paper exactly from word to word was from the QA bank.
That's
And it gets very easy when you are going through those QA banks. Once you have done with the videos, and now you are doing the QA bank, then it gets very easy.
Wonderful. And I think we all must give a lot of credit to the hard work of Sagnik sir. He was instrumental in creating the QA bank, and it has come out very nicely. So Gaurav, now that you have passed the residency with flying colors, what next? What are you planning?
Sir, firstly, though, I'm getting married soon. So along with that, yes, I'm planning for SR shift.
Okay.
For a brief period of time, sir. But I have plans in going to private practice as soon as I can.
Yeah.
Because I think my HOD, sir, Dr. Deepak Ghormode, he has done well. He has taught me well. And he's been suggesting, okay, you go to private practice. You are almost ready to start your own practice. So SR shift, simultaneously private practice.
So kudos
And
to
then-
HOD. Yeah, that's actually a very good advice. I also keep advising all the residents that if you're clear that you want to go into private practice, don't waste time. Do 6 months of SR shape, learn skills. I mean, you have learned enough skill. Just brush them, polish them, and jump into the world of private practice. Because in PP, it takes time. It will take 1 to 2 years for you to establish yourself. And the younger you are when you start, the more energetic, the more hungry you are, the better you do for yourself. So I completely agree with your HOD, sir. That's a very nice advice. And I think you're planning to go to Rajasthan, where it's allowed also to do it.
yes, sir.
So that makes it even better. You can continue probably for a year or so while the PP picks up. Wonderful, Gaurav. So my only request would be, please stay connected with us and in the WhatsApp group, in the Telegram group.
Definitely, sir.
Now that you have cleared the exam, it is your responsibility to help your juniors also in this difficult journey. And then please stay connected. I would be more than happy to help you in any way in establishing a practice.
Sir, one thing I want to add, the whole team is very helpful. Whenever I want to get connected with you, I can connect instantly. Sagnik sir is always very helpful.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm in trouble, I just message Sagnik sir, listen, I have very less time. What I am supposed to do? Sagnik sir is like, go through the QA banks and you'll kill the exams.
Yeah.
So the whole team is very helpful.
Wonderful. Yeah. Sagnis is exceptional. No doubts about it. Thank you, dear. Thank you for taking out time to talk to us, Gaurav. And my best wishes are always with you. I hope, and I'm sure you'll have a wonderful career ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
You too, my dear. Bye-bye.